In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a domain on Hostinger using custom name servers. If you're looking to personalize your website with a custom domain, then you've come to the right place. We'll walk through this process step by step, so let's get started. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Hostinger website. Simply open your browser and type in the Hostinger URL, or you can click directly if you've got it bookmarked. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your Hostinger account if you haven't done so already. It's important to have access to your account to make these changes. After logging in, you'll see a dashboard with several options. Focus your attention on the left-hand side of the screen, where you'll find the Websites tab. Go ahead and click on that. This takes you to a page that lists all your hosted websites with Hostinger. It's where you can manage and edit your sites, among other things. Next, it's time to select the website you want to connect a domain to. Find the site you're working with from your list and look for the Edit Website button. Click this and you'll be brought to a page where you can manage specific settings for that site. Now comes the exciting part, connecting your domain. On this page, look for an option that says Connect Domain. You might find this as a button or an icon depending on Hostinger's current interface, but the wording should be similar. Click on it and you'll be prompted to either connect a new domain or use an existing one. Choose based on what fits your need. If you're using a domain registrar other than Hostinger, you'll want to update your name servers to point the domain to Hostinger. This will often involve copying the provided Hostinger name servers and pasting them into your registrar's domain management settings. Check with your domain provider if you're unsure how to access these settings, as the steps might be different than shown here. After you've updated the name servers, it can take some time for these changes to propagate across the internet, usually around 24 to 48 hours, although it often takes less than that. Meanwhile, you can continue customizing your website through Hostinger's interface. To wrap things up, make sure to verify your domain connection. This ensures everything is set up correctly and that your website will be live once the DNS changes have fully propagated. It's a good idea to double check everything at this point. Any small errors might prevent your site from being accessible. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to connecting your domain to your Hostinger site. Following these steps will provide your website with a polished and professional look with your custom domain. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.